Welcome to the PCCS iPad printing screencast. This is going to help you set up your iPad to print to a PCCS printer. So you'll need your iPad. You'll also need access to a PCCS computer that's connected to the PCCS network, such as your classroom computer, computer lab computer, or an office computer. We're going to start at your desktop computer. So from your desktop computer, select Start, then up to Settings, then Printers and Faxes. Select Printers and Faxes, and then you're going to see the pop-up menu that shows access to all the printers you can print to. Choose the printer you want to print to from your iPad and right-click on it. That'll open up the menu, and you want to choose Properties at the very bottom of the list. So from here, you're looking for the IP address, which is usually a 9-digit number in groupings of 2 and 3 with dots in between. On this main part, you can find it in the comments box, but not all printers are set up to have the IP information in the comments. If it's not there, you'll want to click on the Ports tab. From there, you'll see a listing with lots of numbers and different titles. You'll want to make sure that you can see all the numbers in the ports list, and so a divider box on your cursor will show up, and you'll pull it to the right. Then you'll be able to see all of the digits in the IP address. So you want to copy this down onto a piece of paper. Then you want to make sure you have PageScope Mobile. Now change from your desktop computer to your iPad. From the iTunes store, you'll want to search for PageScope Mobile and download it. Once it's downloaded, you'll find it on your home page in your iPad, and everyone's will look different. It is called PS Mobile. Launch that app. When the PS Mobile app launches, you're going to want to choose the Select Printer at the very bottom right-hand part of the screen. And you're going to choose Add Printer at the very top. This will give you a dialog box, and you want to touch Manual so that you have your search box and a white area for you to enter in that IP number that you just had. So you'll enter in the IP number you just had from your desktop computer. It's that 9-digit number with 2 digits with periods in between. I've added in the IP address for the printer I want to print to. You can see it here in the center of the screen. When you enter in your IP address for the printer you want to print to, hit search. It will then search and find your printer. When it says that the printer is found, select by touching the printer found and then the add button at the bottom of the box. That will add your printer into your list of printers. You can have multiple printers. So here's a document I want to print. From the app that I have the document in, I select the arrow going towards the right, and that's the Open In function. And your list will be different depending on what types of apps you have available on your iPad. Then select PS Mobile from the list. This will then launch the PS Mobile app that you were just in while you were adding your printer from the IP address. When that opens up, there'll be a print dialog box that'll show the printer you're going to print to, and you can choose to duplex or collate or offset your packets if you have multiples, as well as identify what page range you want to use or a specific tray that you want it to pull the paper from. Any options that you have available on the printers are also available here in this print dialog box. When you're ready and have everything ready to print, select Print and then retrieve your documents from your printer. Thank you for joining us for this iPad printing screencast. For more screencast tips and tricks, visit the UDL website on pccs.k12.mi.us.